So hey guys, in the previous video you learned an important chart pattern which is head and shoulder chart pattern. So in this video you're going to learn another important chart pattern which is inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. So if you're familiar with the head and shoulder chart pattern, then this pattern is going to be pretty easy to understand. So in this video we're going to see what is an inverse head and shoulder chart pattern and how it works, and we're also going to see some key principles of this inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. So without any delay, let's get started. So what is an inverse head and shoulder chart pattern? So it's basically a technical analysis chart pattern which we basically use to predict a potential reversal from downtrend to uptrend. So in the head and shoulder chart pattern, what you saw 3 high or the 3 peak. So in this pattern you're going to see 3 lows instead of 3 high. As the name itself says, inverse, so you're going to see 3 lows instead of 3 highs. And the middle low is known as head. And indeed you're going to see 2 shoulders, and basically they are going to be located beside or either side of head. So the head and shoulder pattern was a bearish signal chart pattern, but this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern, so this is going to be a bullish reversal signal chart pattern. So this inverse head and shoulder chart pattern suggests that the current downtrend might end and you might be able to see a potential upside rally. And the psychology of this inverse head and shoulder pattern explains that the current sellers are getting exhausted and the buyers are the one who are taking control over the market. And indeed you can use this pattern for confirmation, and you can use it for a perfect entry or exit strategies. And in this pattern you can follow the risk management as well, so you can place a perfect stop loss, or you get an opportunity to place a perfect stop loss in this pattern. And if you were to talk about targets, you do get a good targets by spotting this inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. So these are some important points to remember in this inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. So now let us see the live example in Angel One web application. So hey guys, now we are on the Angel One web application, and now you are able to spot the Bank Nifty chart. And here I have the example for inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. So I'll highlight the inverse head and shoulder chart pattern here. So this could be your first left shoulder, and this could be your head, and this could be your right shoulder in the inverse head and shoulder chart pattern, and this could be your important neckline or an important resistance. So this could be your important neckline or an important resistance level to watch. So as you can see, the first you're able to spot is the left shoulder, and next you're able to spot the head, and next you're able to spot the right shoulder. So what did I tell you? You'll be able to spot the 3 lows, right? So this is your first low, and this is your second low, and this is your third low in the head and shoulder, in the inverse head and shoulder chart pattern. So what is the psychology behind this inverse head and shoulder chart pattern? What happens? The sellers try to bring the price all the way down here, but the buyers kick in and they try to bring the price all the way up here, but it gets rejected at this neckline or the resistance level. And again the sellers kick in and they try to bring the price all the way down here for the second time, but again the buyers kicks in and they try to bring the price all the way up here, and again for the second time it gets rejected at this neckline. And even for the third time the sellers try to bring the price all the way down here, but again the third time the buyers kick in and they try to bring the price all the way up here. And at this particular moment, this important neckline becomes an important resistance level to watch. And once this important neckline is broken, you might be able to see a rally towards upside. So you can see once the neckline was broken, you were able to see a good rally towards upside of almost 300 points. So this is how the inverse head and shoulder chart pattern works. So by spotting this inverse head and shoulder chart pattern, you do get a good trading opportunities.